It is quite surprising to see the Galaxy S25 Ultra receive such significant enhancements. A former Mercedes-Benz designer has reportedly been assigned the responsibility of redefining and revitalizing the Samsung brand, beginning with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This indicates that a redesign is imminent between the S24 Ultra and the S25 Ultra. However, Samsung will undoubtedly maintain the S25 Ultra's flat display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's optics and battery life will also undergo significant revisions by Samsung, in addition to its design. The charging pace of devices in the Galaxy S series has remained unchanged over the past few years. It was reported earlier this year that Samsung's charging component supplier would now offer support for a 65-watt rapid charger. The S24 Ultra was anticipated by many, but it was never produced. As a result, the S25 Ultra will be the first Galaxy smartphone to feature a 65-watt rapid charger, as opposed to the S24 Ultra's 45-watt. Samsung should provide a larger battery for the S25 Ultra. A battery upgrade is possible if the design is altered, which is desperately required. My apprehension regarding battery life stems from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's performance. Remarkably, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's maximum clock speed is 4 GHz when the 3nm process is utilized, which is significantly higher than the 3.3 GHz achieved by the S24 Ultra with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. As per the source's assertion, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will not feature any low performance scores. Rather, medium performance scores will be implemented in lieu of low performance scores. Furthermore, the highest performance core will operate at a frequency of 4 GHz. Their Geekbench results are also the first to be released, and not even the iPhone 15 Pro Max A17 Pro can match the performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The multi-core score for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is 10,628, while it was only 7,249 in the S24 Ultra. Certain individuals are also proposing significant enhancements to the camera capabilities of the S24 Ultra. While initial murmurs indicated that the primary camera resolution would remain unchanged at 200 megapixels, the S25 Ultra will feature a substantial improvement in its ultra-wide sensor. Unconfirmed rumors suggest that the Galaxy Droid may feature an ultra-wide sensor with 50 megapixels, up from 12 megapixels on previous models. Resolution on the telephoto sensor has already changed significantly, from 10 megapixels for a 10x telephoto to 50 megapixels for a 5x telephoto. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.